Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1909, a Civil War soldier's memories were published in the Virginia Gazette. Mr. E.H. Lively shared his recollections of Fort Magruder and how wounded soldiers were taken to his home and treated by his mother. He recalled conversations with Colonel Ewell and General McClelland and commented on the daily realities of war. Mr. Lively was the publisher of the Virginia Gazette for several years prior to the war. Publication ceased during wartime and was resumed by Lively in 1865. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.